हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। तो जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि हमने स्टार्ट की हुई है BZU की सीरीज़, जिसमें हम पास्ट पेपर्स को देख रहे हैं। LLB 5 ईयर्स पार्ट 1। तो आज का जो हमारा पेपर है वो है सोशियोलॉजी का। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लें। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो पहले है MCQs। सोशियोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीज क्यों? क्योंकि यार सोशियोलॉजी जो है ना वो स्टडी ऑफ सोसाइटी है। सोसाइटी में सारी चीज़ें आती हैं। द क्लासिक definition of culture was given by Taylor Reads. The major characteristics of culture are all of these. Cultural traits are found on the basic of need of life. Cultural growth a continuing process. Social theory is found in sociology. The process of socialization continues till death. Sociology is science because it solves social problems. The desire to have other perceive us as we perceive other is called self-consciousness. Person, person, situation, and behavior are the three major elements in cultural trait. Social contract can be studied under all of these. The movement in the sociology attaining high socioeconomic status is called upward sociology. The father of sociology, Auguste Comte. The major perspective of sociology are all of the above. Social interaction is the base of social group. Minimum persons are required for interaction are 2. Continuous geographical mobility is found in noble society. The type of family in which after marriage one man moves to the residence of wife is called material residence. Culture has major type both. कल्चर में दोनों आ जाती हैं टाइप्स ना, मटेरियल एंड नॉन मटेरियल. विच वन इज़ अ सोशल साइंस? सोशियोलॉजी. अब इसके बाद इसके जो हैं हमने देखने क्वेश्चंस कौन कौन से हैं, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे. डिफाइन सोशियोलॉजी. आल्सो मेंशन इट्स रिलेशन with other social sciences on the basis of interdisciplinary perspective. How groups are found and what are the major socializing agents after affect the solidarity in group. What are the role and status and how they are interconnected with each other. Give example from your own society. How social control is necessary to maintain the order in the society. Also mention the level of control for combating deviance and crime. Next question है define social stratification and its dimension. Also mention that how social mobilization take place through these stratas. Define social change. Discuss the cause and resistance to social change. What is social interaction? Also mention its theory of social construction of reality. नेक्स्ट पेपर देखते हैं. इसके MCQs जो हैं, पहला MCQ है द प्रोसेस ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन कंटिन्यूज टिल डेथ. A sociologist studies social aspect of life, of human life. The type of family in which after marriage husband moves to the residence of wife is called matrilocal residence, which is a basic institution for socialization of children. Family. Discipline of society studies social relation. Most prominent agent of socialization is family. Sociology is the study of society. Social stratification indicate process by which a person get ranks in society. The family in which father is the source of authority is known as patriarchal family. The things which have physical form are called material culture. Which one is a social science? Sociology. Minimum person required for interaction. 2. Social interaction is the base of social group. Strong and intimate relations are found in primary group. Continuous geographical mobility is found in nomadic society. Status and role are interlinked. Violation of law is called crime. Change in culture of the people is called cultural change. Which one is the ascribed status? Rajput. Achieve status is awarded on the basis of effort and skills. नेक्स्ट पे है इसके क्वेश्चंस हैं डिफाइन सोशियोलॉजी एक्सप्लेन द इम्पोर्टेंस एंड सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी डिफाइन सोशल ग्रुप्स explain its type and compare the characteristics of primary and secondary group. Briefly explain socialization and its importance from law perspective. What do you mean by social stratification? Discuss the determinants of social stratification in Pakistan. What is social control? Describe its formal and informal agencies of social control. Define social change. Discuss the cause and resistance to social change. Define culture. Discuss the types and characteristics of culture. अब इससे नेक्स्ट जो है उसके हम एमसीक्यूज़ देखते हैं जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पेपर है A close connection between religion and economic forces was presented by Emily Durkheim. The most persuasive of the social process are cooperation. According to sociologists, all societies across the world are stratified. A person is consciously motivated primarily by his real trait. Economic growth will keep pace with population growth only if there is इसका सी है motivation to achieve. Family laws ordinance was passed for the first time in 1961. Those who cannot compete have no right for higher learning and must be refused according to belief the above theories. ये किसने कहा था? ये कार्ल मार्क्स ने कहा था. नहीं सॉरी ये स्पेंसर ने कहा था. Sociology is introduced as an academic discipline by Auguste Comte. Society as a complex organization of parts that function to fulfill the requirements. Promote the need of whole is a concept of structural functionalism. The concept of Protestant and Bourgeois was presented by Karl Marx. The process by which cultural traits spread from one group to society is called cultural diffusion. The phenomena which, when educated and highly skilled people immigrate to a new country, their home country loses is referred as brain drain. Man is a social animal, who said Aristotle. Which one is first step of knowledge? Assumption. Age is a ratio. Which one is a basic institution for socialization of children? Family. Power that people consider legitimate is known as authority. Social structure of society is the network of institutional relation. The creative potential of personality is accounted for by trait psychology. A social condition in which values are conflicting, weak, or absent is called anomy. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कुछ क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं, जैसे कि आपका ये सोशियोलॉजी वाला क्वेश्चन, स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन, नंबर थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज़ कल्चर, और नंबर सेकंड पे जो है रिलेशन बिटवीन कल्चर, क्राइम, डेविएंस वगैरह, सोशल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट। तो ये आपने लाजमी करने हैं, ये चैप्टर्स जो है ना ये मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर्स हैं, ये हर साल आते ही आते हैं। तो इसी के साथ आज का हमारा टॉपिक ख़त्म होता है। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन या क्वेरी हो तो वो कमेंट कर सकता है किसी भाई को ना। अगर किसी को पीडीएफ फॉर्म में भी ये पेपर्स चाहिए होंगे तो वो मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर ले, मैं अपना नंबर जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में छोड़ दूँगा। थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।